want to evaluate this type of question, the first thing to do is remove the negative index. So, you can write this as 1 over 16 over 9 raised to power 3 over 2. So now I've removed the minus sign. So this one I is taken as 1 over. This one becomes square root of 16 over 9 raised to power 3. And when you find the square root of this one becomes 4 as 1 over 4 over 3 then raised to power 3. Remember, we're talking about square root now. It's going to be plus or minus. It's always plus or minus when you find the square root of a number. It's always plus or minus because plus 4 squared will give us 16, minus 4 squared also give us 16, plus 3 squared is 9, minus 3 squared is also what? 9. So 1 raised to power 3. So this will give us 1 over 4 raised to power 3. So you get plus or minus 4 raised to power 3 plus or minus 3 raised to power 3. You can actually solve first, removing the plus or minus, then later you can bring it in. But just to ensure there's no error, you can work with this. So this one gives us 1 over 64 over 27 plus or minus. 4 raised to power 3 is 64, 3 raised to power 3 is 27. So this one becomes 1 divided by this is just by inverting. 1 divided by 64 over 27. Remember, it's going to be plus or minus. So change the division sign to multiplication now. Change the division sign to multiplication. Then I will invert. So I'll get 27 over 64 plus or minus. So the final answer becomes plus or minus 27 plus or minus 27 over 64. That is the final answer. As simple as that. Now that you've learned that, ensure you like, you share, and follow us for more tips.